And welcome back, guys. In today's video, we're going to be to seek how to make an explosive barrel, and it's going to be a very simple and quick tutorial. First thing, of course, we want to create a new blueprint actor called X Blueprint X Explosive Barrel. Now we want to open it. In here, we want to add a static mesh. Here you probably want to get your mesh. I have downloaded this one from the fab for free, so all of you can do that as well. And here's the barrel itself. Now I want this barrel to explode only when I shoot it, or pretty much only when it takes some damage. So for that, that's very simple to do. We just want to do haven't any damage. And since there I don't want any amount, there's no restrictions of how much damage it has to do for it to explode. I'm not going to use this damage node, which means if it takes whatever amount of damage, you will just go ahead and do multi-sphere trace for objects, and we want to get actor location. Both start and the end are going to be right in here on the same thing. For the radius, I'm going to set 500. Object type make, and I only want it to affect pawn figures. Now we do the branch. If it hits something, if it does, we do for each loop. In here, we want to break hit result and hit actor apply damage. Base damage we can do for like 50, and when this is completed, we want to destroy actor. Very simple. I'm going to explain what all of this does. So haven't any damage, pretty much this is the function where we can apply damage, and when we apply damage, we're going to call this function in the actor we have damaged. Get actor location, we're getting the location of our barrel. We go over here, we're going to get this location. Now, why is it both start and the end? I don't want it to move to have any length. I just want it to be a perfect sphere. So that is why it's going to be get actor location is going to be both start and the end location. Radius is 500, just how big the radius is going to be of an explosion. Object type, this is what kind of factors it will affect. And in my situation, it's just a pawn. Trace compass, you don't want to touch that. Actors ignore. If you have any actors you want to make it ignore. And draw debug type for duration. This is while the just pretty much the debug line you will see after this what it looks like is going to last. It's going to last for its duration before until it dies. Here we want to get the branch to see if we actually hit something that's pawn. If we did, because this is an array is a union of one or more same actors or same stuff. We're going to filter it. So we're going to check for each loop, which is basically going to go through every single unique in this array, and it is going to break hit result, which is going to get that particular actor we hit. For each actor, it will get a break hit result, which is where its location is, how long is name, hit, but not that important. We just want to get what actor was hit, the component of, or basically the blueprint of that actor. We want to apply damage to the actor we hit. Here's the amount of damage, and when all of these are, when the array is fully done filtering and applying damage, we are going to destroy the barrel itself. Now, we want to be able to damage somehow this barrel. So I'm going to make just some basic line trace. I'm going to do left mouse button, pressed line trace by channel. Or what I could do is just get all actors of class and then just search the blueprint explosive barrel. We want to do again for each loop. Apply damage 4. It doesn't matter if it's 4, and I'm going to show that for you in a couple of seconds. I'm going to send actually to 1. So this basically explains this. Left mouse button. When we press left mouse button, we're going to get all actors of the class blueprint explosive barrel, the class the blueprint we just created. We're going to again for all of them. So for every single one explosive barrel blueprint in our world, we're going to apply damage to every single one of them. Now this is how not how you would make a pistol or anything, but it's just to show how the whole system would work. So now if I get here, press left click, this is going to just, why didn't it explode first time? Because of this. I don't think we need it. Great, because we have the filter. So the second I come here, we can see this is the barrel. I apply damage to it, and it will render the applied damage. So we can see here, if I just go in before the high, it will detect our actor. As we can see here, it was moving and it will hit our actor and apply damage to it. How can we see? I'm just going to see event, any damage, and we just want to print string, and we're just going to print the amount it hit us. And to show that it doesn't even matter what amount of damage you do, it's still going to work. Now here we can see it did hit us multiple times. Now that's not very good, if unless you want it, that's something you want. But if you don't want that, you could actually do, instead of multi-sphere trace per channels, you could do sphere trace for objects. Not a multi one, but the basic. And what is this going to do is just basically hit it for a single time. And in this scenario, we wouldn't need the for each loop. We want to just get this over here, break it result, and this, and then destroy the actor. And I'm going to show how that works. See, it only detected my character once. So basically, just whatever you want to use, it will work. And I think that's going to be it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.